This is Harry's homemade sickle. You've got to stick it to that cane, haven't you? Right, go on then. Go knock on the neighbours' doors. Go on then. You look very scary. Does it look at your face? Oh, blimey. What have you got? A bucket full of sweets?
Yep.
And what else?
Instead of just having a bucket full of sweets, got some £4.
£4, blimey. Doing alright, aren't you? Should we put them empty? Should we empty it out and then restock?
Yeah.
That's it, pop it on there.
Just going to put the £4 down.
Blimey.
One house.
Right, one house. Well, that's Julie's done that because she's your neighbour, isn't she? I don't think she does it for everybody. Right, pick your stick up. Pick your laser up. Point it out the door. Does it work still? Point it out. Yes, it does. Right, come on then, let's go.
Ooh.
Plonker. Come on, let's go find some houses down here. Do you reckon it's that one with all the lights on it? She did, didn't she? Are you going to go knock?
That's a lot of people.
There is. Well, that's all right. You need a few sweets, don't you? Just a sweetie, so you leave some for somebody else.
I've been to a house like this.
Looking rather scary.
Yeah?
Yep. Go on. Oh, look. They've done the whole car. Oh. Go on, now knock.
Someone's leaving. Oh.
Just in time. Mhm.
Remember me. They see me.
Don't be alarmed, it's one Harry in his pyjamas.
Brilliant, didn't it? Coming in from it.
That's good.
That's good. Give it a good knock then. Yeah. Probably the highest ghost in Crowland now, aren't you?
Grim Reaper.
Oh, highest Grim Reaper in Crowland. Go on then, what are you shining it on? Oh yes. Harry, you waiting for them fireworks?
Don't record me.
Oh, that's naughty. Waiting for a minute, mate. Come on then, lead the way.